Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your WordPress website with multiple applications. So you can send the data from your WordPress website to multiple applications using workflows. There are more than 100 applications that you can connect with your WordPress website. It is not only for the WordPress website, you can also share the data among all these applications. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create workflows and connect the application with your WordPress website. For example, I'm going to connect the Elementor contact form on this website with the Go High Level CRM tool. So whenever someone fills up this contact form, it is going to send the data to Go High Level and it is going to create a contact automatically in Go High Level CRM. In another example, I'm going to show you how you can send the WooCommerce data to email marketing tool as well as to Google Sheet. How you can use delay and conditional logic. In this conditional logic, if the order value is less than $100, then it is going to send the data to Mailchimp email marketing tool. If the order value is greater than $100, then it is going to send the data to Google Sheet. You can also use the router tool and send the same data to multiple applications. The tool that I'm going to use is Bitflows. This is a new tool for advanced workflow automation. You can create unlimited tasks, unlimited workflows, multi-step workflows. Let me show you the pricing of this tool. There is early bird lifetime deal going on. This deal is available only for this month, and here is the pricing plan. You can use this tool on one website for a lifetime in only $149. So this is a lifetime deal. You do not need to pay for monthly or yearly subscription. Unlimited workflows and unlimited tasks. You will also get lifetime support, and there is 14 days money back guarantee. If you compare this plan with any other tool available in the market, they have monthly or yearly subscription based on the number of workflows and the number of tasks that you're going to use. However, here you can create unlimited workflows and use unlimited tasks for lifetime. So you do not need to go for monthly or yearly subscription. This is only for early bird lifetime deal. After that, I think there will be monthly or yearly subscription plan. If you want to go for this lifetime deal, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So let's see how we can use the Bitflows automation tool and connect our website with multiple applications.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website and I'm using Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin on this website. In this example video, I'm going to show you how you can connect the Elementor contact form with the Go High Level automation tool. I'll also show you how you can collect the data from the WooCommerce website and send that data to different platforms. We will start with the installation of the free Bitflows plugin. So let's go to the dashboard of the WordPress website, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for Bitflows. This is the plugin Bitflows seamless API integration and integrate any app with WordPress and beyond. So it is not only for the WordPress, you can connect any app with each other. So click on install now and click on activate. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel, you will see the option Bitflows. Click on it. Now you will be on the dashboard of this plugin, and on the dashboard you will see all the analytics, how many workflows you have, and what is the execution time and status of the workflow. Below that you will see flows, that is nothing but the workflows, then connections, webhooks, custom API, and settings. Let's go to settings. And these are the basic settings. Notification of failed task. So if there is any failed task, it will send the notification email. Then we have preserve flow logs for 7 days. So it is going to keep the logs for the 7 days. Let's go to flows and create a new workflow. So when you create a new workflow, you will see an option example flow. You will see some pre-designed templates also. This one requires Pro plugin. So I'm going to start with the blank workflow and just name it as Elementor contact form to Go High Level. All right, and click on blank. So we are going to create from the scratch. Click on create. Now the starting point of any workflow will be a trigger. So when do you want to trigger this workflow? And for that you will see an option, select an app, click on it. And if I click on select an app, you will see all these apps are available for the trigger. So you will see different contact forms are there, Beaver Builder, Bitform, then we have contact form 7, Elementor form, Fluent Booking. You can also integrate CRM. If I search for CRM here, you will see all the CRMs here, HubSpot, Fluent CRM, Groundhog, Forminator. So you can start with any trigger app. If you go for WordPress, you will see WordPress option is also there. If you look for WooCommerce, WooCommerce bookings, as well as the default WooCommerce app is there. So let's start with the Elementor. This is an Elementor website. So I'm going to collect the data from Elementor form. So select Elementor forms, new record. So it is going to trigger the action whenever there is a new record in the contact form. So I'm going to select that one. All right. Now, if I go here, you will see I have one Elementor contact form here. And if I go to workflow, it says that click the listen response button and submit your trigger. So it is going to collect the data. The captured response will be displayed below. The listener will stop automatically after 3 minutes. So it is asking you to click on listen response and go to one of the contact form and fill up the form so that it can fetch the data from the contact form. And this listen response will be active for 3 minutes. So within that time period, you can fill up the form. So I'm going to click on listen response and I'll go to this contact form and I'm going to enter some dummy data here. And I'm going to click on submit. So it says your submission was successful. Let's go back to workflow and you will see all the data is captured. You will see the name, email, phone number, the message that we entered here. So the connection is successful. Click on close. So you have got the trigger point here. Now click on the plus sign here and select an app where you want to send this Elementor form data. So if I click on it, you will see some options here. You will see the apps that you can connect with this Elementor contact form. Let's say I want to send the data to Google Sheets. So I'm going to select Google Sheet and it says it is available for the Pro plugin only. So let's search for Go High Level. And you will see an option here, add contact. So we are going to collect the data from Elementor contact form and we are going to send it to Go High Level. So I'm going to click on add contact. So it is going to create a contact in Go High Level. Go High Level is nothing but a CRM. Now it is asking you to select a connection. So we need to connect our website with the Go High Level. And after that, it is going to send the data to the Go High Level. So if I click on add, you will see the option here. We need to enter the API key from Go High Level. So whenever you connect any app with your WordPress website, you're going to use the API keys to send the data to the app. Here you will see the instruction. You can go to your Go High Level account, go to settings, business info and get the API key. So let's go to Go High Level, go to settings and we have business profile here. And I have the API key here. So I'm going to copy this API key and let's go back, enter the API key here and click on connect. All right, so it says the connection is successful. Now we need to map the fields from the Elementor contact form to Go High Level. So if I go here, you will see on this contact form here, we have first name, last name, email, phone number, and message. So we are going to map the fields accordingly. So let's start with the first name here and go to value. Now these are the Elementor contact form fields. Okay, and these are the fields from your Go High Level. You will see all these fields are available in the Go High Level contact. So I'm going to select first name and from the Elementor contact form, I'll go to fields and select first name. So the Elementor contact form first name is mapped with the first name on Go High Level. So if I go to this contact form, if I go to edit with Elementor, let me show you where you will find the keys. This is the contact form. the Elementor one. If I go to first name, go to advanced, and you will see the ID here, that is first name. If I go to last name, advanced, this is the ID for the last name. So you will see all this information here. So let's select last name from Go High Level, and from Elementor form, go to fields and select last name ID. Then go to phone number. Let's select phone number here. Go to fields and select phone. Go to select email address. Go to fields, select email. All right, and we have one more option here, that is message. So let's go to fields here and look for the message. We have brief description on Go High Level. So let's select fields and select message. So the message field is mapped with the brief description on Go High Level. Okay, here you will see the list of tags also. So we have some tags on the Go High Level, and I want to assign a tag for this particular contact that we are going to get from the Elementor contact form. So I'm going to use the contact form tag, and all the fields are now saved. It is already saved, so I'm going to close it. So this is a simple workflow that I have created. I'm going to send the data from Elementor form to Go High Level. So let's go to contact form. Let me refresh it, and again I'm going to enter the form here and click on submit. All right, so it says your submission was successful. Let's go to workflow, and if I go to logs here, all right, so it says success. Go to details. We have entry for Elementor form, and we have the information here. You will see it has already captured all the data. I just want to show you, you can see the logs in the workflow also. All right, now let's go to Go High Level and let's refresh it. And you will see the new data is added in Go High Level. So it has successfully entered the data in Go High Level. You will see the name, phone, email, and this is the tag. So this workflow is successful. Now let me show you some other tools also. If I go to tools here, you will see some tools are available. If you want to use a router, you can also use router. Let's select it and connect the form with the router and one link to Go High Level. So you can collect the data from Elementor form and send it to multiple platforms. Let's say I want to add one more platform. So it is going to create one more branch here, and here I can select another platform. Let's say Google Worksheet. So currently it is not available for the free plugin. So if you want to use Google Worksheet, you can go for the Pro plan. So you can use router. I can also create one more branch. So the same data from Elementor form will be sent to all these apps. You will see other tools are available. Condition, you can use conditional logic, delay, iterator, repeater, JSON, and we have PDF parser, email parser, and custom code. All right, so this is the workflow. Let me delete these apps here, and I'm going to delete the router also. So we have a simple workflow here. Now I do have the premium version of this plugin, so I'm going to install the premium version and I'll show you how you can use other apps. So let's go to plugins again and click on add new plugin. I have the plugin downloaded, so I'm going to upload the pro version of the plugin, install it, click on activate plugin. In the left hand panel you will see Beat Flows Pro. Click on it and go to license and support. Now we are using pro version, so we will need to activate the license. In this case the license is already activated because I'm already logged into the Beat apps subscription. It has already connected the website with the pro plugin. In your case you will see an option here, activate license. You just need to click on activate it, and after that you need to log into your website and it is going to connect your website automatically. Or you can go to your Beat apps account, go to your plugin, and you will see a license key. You will need to enter the license key. You will need to copy the license key and enter the license key here, and it is going to connect your website with the Beat Apps Pro. And from here you can download the pro version of the plugin. You need to go to my purchased option, go to Beatflows agency and download the pro plugin, install it, and after that activate the license key. So in this case we have already activated the license key. So let's go to dashboard again, and now if I go to connections, you will see we have one connection here, that is Go High Level. And if I go to dashboard, you will see total executions, how many executions are there. It will show all the data here. And go to flows, you will see one workflow that we have already created. Click on create a new one and just name it as test demo 1, and let's use this one, pre-designed template. Click on create. Now this is just an example. You can collect the data using Elementor form. One router is used. Then we have MailerLite application there, and this is the Bravo application. So if I go here, it will again ask you to add a connection. So you need to get the token or the API key from MailerLite connection, and once you enter that, you can click on connect and it will connect your application with the website. Let's go to Bravo. The same process will be there. You need to click on connect, get the value, API or the token value, enter it and click connect. If you have any issues, you will see an option here. Click here, it will give you the option to connect. It will send you to the page from where you can get the API keys or the tokens. So you will get all the information there and get it connected to your website. And after that, you can send the data from Elementor to different apps. All right, let's go back. We are going to create a new workflow. Click on create flow and let's name it as test demo 2. Use a blank one. Click on create. Again, look for a trigger point. Click on app and we are going to use WooCommerce. On new order create. So whenever there is a new order, then it is going to trigger this workflow. If someone makes a purchase on your WooCommerce website, it is going to trigger this workflow. Now again, the same process, listen response. So we need to make a purchase. So I'm going to click on listen response. Go to website. Let's add one product here to the cart. All right, we have one cart here. Let's go to checkout. And we have this user here. I'm going to click on place order. This is a demo WooCommerce website. I'm using cash on delivery. Click on place order. All right, so the order is placed successfully. Let's go to workflow and you will see the response is captured. So it has captured all the response from the WooCommerce. You will see the name of the user, the address, the email address, the phone number, which product is purchased, the total amount spent by the user, the currency is there. This is the order ID and this is the payment mode and this is the product name. So you will see the product name is also there. So you can use all this information and you can send this data to different applications. Right, let's close this one. Let's click on plus sign. Now here you will see tools. As we are using a pro version, we can use different tools. So I'm going to select delay. Let's connect it with the WooCommerce order. And let's connect it to app. So click on delay and here you can specify the delay. Let's say I want a delay of 2 minutes. So I can enter 2 minutes. You will see different option, minutes, hour, days, weeks and months. So you can add a delay. So what it is going to do, it is going to capture the data from WooCommerce. It is going to wait for 2 minutes and after that it is going to link that with different application. You can also use conditional logic. If I select it here, is connected with the conditional logic. Click on it. Click on add more conditions. So we need to add a condition here. Okay, if the order total, so we are going to select the order total is less than 100. Right, so this is the condition. If the order total value is less than 100, so that's what the condition we have added here. So this is the first condition. Let's name it as less than 100. All right, you will see it here. Now let's add one more condition here. order total is greater than 100. All right, so we have two different conditions here. If the order value is less than 100, then let's connect this with this app. Let me arrange this properly. And we are going to add one more app here. Let's say I want to add Google Sheet. I just want to show you how you can create it. So I'm going to select Google Sheet here. Let's connect it with the Mailchimp. Okay, now you can see the condition here. So we have WooCommerce application. So it is going to capture the data from WooCommerce. It is going to wait for 2 minutes. And after that, it will go to conditions and filters. If the order value is less than 100, it is going to send the data to Mailchimp. If the order value is more than 100, then it is going to send the data to Google Sheet. So this is how you can use the conditions and filters. Now, in this case also, you need to connect the Google Sheet. Let's say I want to add a new row in Google Sheet. Now we are using Pro version, so we can use the Google Sheet. Click on Add. Now here it will show you how you can get the client ID and client secret from Google Sheet and connect your website with Google Sheet. If I click on it, it will go to the Google API keys section. And from here, you can create API keys and link your website with Google Sheet. So for each app, you will need to get the API key and use that API key to link your website. Currently, I think more than 100 applications can be connected. And I believe in future, more applications will be added in bid flows. And you can see that there is a lifetime deal going on. And the pricing is only $149 for a lifetime. This offer is available for this month only. After that, I think there will be monthly or yearly subscription plan. So if you want to use this tool, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.